everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to explore one of the most powerful tool in the Bitrix24, that is inbound webhook URL. We will see how it works, what benefits it brings, and how it helps connect your Bitrix CRM with other platforms or your backend systems. Let's dive into today's topic. Now, today's topic is how to create lead data from external source to Bitrix through inbound webhook URL. So first of all, you can go to the developer resource and then click the inbound webhook URL. After that, you can edit the time. You can mention the title of inbound webhook URL, and this is used for identify the fields in the lead section. So this method is benefit is whenever the data passes from external source to in your Bitrix particular lead section, you can mention the method. That means your data need to passes from the lead page. You can add your method like this. If you want any parameters are it required, you can add the parameters also. Then after that, you can copy this URL. Right now, how to create a lead from external source. For that, I can choose a Postman. Through the Postman, I need to create a lead from the source, lead from the Postman. So Postman is an external source. From the Postman, the data need to created in the Bitrix lead section. So for that, first you need to identify the fields. I have already explained how to identify the fields. If you do not watch the previous video, just go through it and then you can watch this video. So you can copy this URL from the inbound webhook URL, and then you can pass this method, and then you can identify your lead ID. So how can you identify the lead ID? So go to the CRM section. In the CRM section, go to the lead. In the lead, you can see this. These are the field. The field name is ID. In that field, you can copy this any ID. After that, you can go to the Postman. You can send it. Then you can identify your fields. Once you are identify the fields, uh, so you can pick your suitable fields. I have already picked some suitable fields that I need to create a lead from Postman to Bitrix CRM lead page. So I choose the title, names, second name, the last name, and the comment section, as well as the phone number. So you can copy this URL from inbound webhook URL. I have already explained that. You can copy this from inbound webhook URL and paste it in the Postman. You can send. You can click the send button. It immediately the lead will be created. See this, the lead ID is 28756. So go through their CRM section. You can refresh it. Immediately the lead will created in the Bitrix section. Say this, the lead is created from the Postman. Similarly, you can pass the data from your external source via website or external application. So this comment section will be created, and responsible person is automatically fetched. See, the phone number is created. If you observe that ID 28756, so that the lead name is also created. So I have passed some fields. One is the lead name, the phone number, and the comment section. Okay. So if you want to, just a minute, we have passed name also. Name, the last name, the second name. We have passed these fields also. Just we check. Say this. The last name, first name. The second name is also 1 minute. The second name. Say this. Second name, the last name. So like that, you can pass your data from external source to Bitrix leads page. I hope this video is very clear to understanding how to pass the data from Postman to Bitrix CRM lead section. So if you useful this video, don't forget like and subscribe button. Thank you.